with you. I don't want you to have anyone. And if you don't want me, there's something wrong with them, right? Maybe I got problems that I don't tell anyone. Have I lost my perception? Feel like I wanna do something wrong now. Packing all your belongings. Say you wanna take some time, but if you say we'll meet again, why'd you have to take everything now? Baby, are you lying? Have you met someone? Tell me now. I better start crying, make him feel bad before we leave town. 10, 9, counting down, putting on a smile. 8, 7, 6.
Remember I said I need to give it a day or two. She's done my nails, and who else has done my nails?
Broken future, all the plans you made in your heart grew just to die. And now your damaged goods, damaged should have never been. Thought you were bulletproof, look at you, what happened? Did she hurt you? Are you okay, baby? Everyone gets hurt, that's how we learn to make love work. It's part of life, but if you need a lullaby, baby, don't cry no more. Just let her walk out your door. Baby, don't cry no more. Mama's here. I wrote a lullaby for you. Yeah. Wasted, loving all the nights I spent wondering why we couldn't be. Ooh. And now that you're alone, you're on my phone, running game. But maybe, baby, when it settles in that you're to blame, we could move on, pick up where we went wrong, baby. Everyone gets hurt, that's how we learn to make love work. It's
Hi guys. Hi, you love a TV. Hi. You guys are gonna go on TV. Well, like, oh, good tipule. Tipule ya chambo. Buena.
That's how we learn to make love work. It's part of life, but if you need a lullaby, baby, don't cry no more. Just let her walk out your door. Baby, don't cry no more. Mama's here, 'cause maybe in time you'll see, maybe I can be all you need. Yeah.
earrings I got from Nwabisa. I lost the other pair, and I always buy 2 of each. I think I've said this before. There's certain things I really love so much that I always buy 2 of each in case I lose. Ooh, the lighting just went like, it's so cloudy outside, but I think the sun is kind of coming out, so it just came, and then the lighting was like, ooh. But anyhow, so now I've lost both the original buy and, you know, the standby, so I had to like use another one. But I like these pearl earrings, so I actually have to go buy them. I just finished dressing up right now. It's a Sunday morning. I'm feeling a little bit better with my flu. I really am, even though my voice is still, you know, squeaky. See, this one is small, and then the other one will be bigger because it's the original one. But yeah, I am going to get my hair done. I have to get my hair done. My hair is currently, yeah, it's the pits. It's not looking great. Because I've been sick this whole week, I really was not even touching it. I wasn't even moisturizing it, to be honest. I'll get it washed. I think I also want to get it, I almost said braided. But is it braiding though? I want to do flat twist. You get the point. I want to get like condos. Yeah, when I was like a free hand with my own hair. That's exactly what I'm trying to get. But yeah, when I was in the shower, I just got it wet a little bit. I didn't apply product. I'm just gonna go like that. I'm going to Ruutos, and just to let you guys know now, I'm not paying for anything, which I really appreciate. I think sometimes when you like develop relationships and partnerships with certain brands, there's great perks that come with it, and I really love how they do their hair. And if you guys have noticed, I don't go to Ruutos every month or every 2 months or like constantly, but I think that everyone should go at least once a year or twice a year, because you need it. Their treatments are amazing. The way they do your hair, it's really amazing. It's out of this world. So I really hope that you can see it in your bank balance to at least try them for once and then see how you feel about it, and then you can go again.
Just pulled up to the house, don't feel like getting out. I'ma just lay back and crack this window. I've been doing my best, taking a moment to rest, feeling stressed out. Give it a good, I put that on God when it gets hard. I stay on my job like no days off, so you can go home with the negativity, with that broke mentality. Jump on jealousy, my bad. Get away from me, 'cause I've been working all day. Can a nigga catch a break? Give a pretty brown girl her space. You can keep your bitter, I'ma make a better way. Hey, hey, already got the world on me. Give a pretty brown girl her space. You can keep your bitter, I'ma make a better way. Hey, hey, better way. Oh, Mom and Dad's only daughter, do I make you proud? Writing my life in lyrics, do y'all like the sound? Seeking approval constantly. When it's my truth I own, I speak, it don't make sense now. Give it a good, yeah. Put that on good when it gets hard. I stay on my job like no days off, so you can go home her space. You can keep your bitter. I'ma make a better way. Hey, hey, nigga, catch a break. Better way. Oh, hey. Broken future. All the plans you made in your heart grew just to die. And now your damaged goods, damage should have never been. Thought you were bulletproof. Look at you, what happened? Did she hurt you? Are you okay, baby? Everyone gets hurt. That's how we learn to make love work. It's part of life. But if you need a lullaby, baby, don't cry no more. Just let her walk out your door. Baby, don't cry no more. Mama's here. I wrote a lullaby for you. To you. Yeah. Wasted, loving all the nights I spent wondering why.
Today's Wednesday morning. I did my hair on Sunday. I've just been busy with school, so I wanted to record and show you. It's still neat, it's still cute. I am so happy with it. I love it. I'm enjoying also like having a simple hairstyle. It's really nice. Like, I'm enjoying it. My friend saw me yesterday and she was like, I should book her an appointment for Saturday because she wants to go get the same thing done, like the same wash day treatment and these flat twists, which are really, yeah, I'm happy with their service. These flat twists are 250 rands, 250 or 290. I think it's 250 if you come with your own product, and then 290 if you don't have your product, because when you go to Ruutos to get your hair washed, they use their products. But if you come with your own products, they charge you less. So that's the whole 250 without products, and then 290 with products. Huh? It's 250 with your own products and then 290 without products. But of course, like I had told you earlier before I left, that I did not pay for anything, and I should keep up the good work. Heather, I'm proud of you. Always getting your hair done and you don't pay. So I'm not lying because I didn't get to pay anything. I remember the first time I went to Ruutos, which was like 3 years ago. I paid, but I'm still honest with you guys, I love their service. My hair was so tangled up, but the way they managed to detangle it, to do everything, I didn't even feel pain. It was so soothing, it was so great. I was even forgetting that I'm supposed to be vlogging and taking videos because I'll just be so relaxed and I'll forget. And then that lady was also very nice, because it's not the same person who does your hair, by the way, and I don't mind it. You know why? They're all trained, because Ruutos has an academy, so they all go to the same academy to learn about taking care of your hair. So I remember the lady that washed my hair is not the lady that moisturized it, and it's not the lady that did the flat twist. So the lady that washed so when she was detangling, another lady came to help her, and that's the lady that did my flat twist. And their salon, the one that I went to, is in Santon. It's not so big, but you realize that as people come in, no one sits down, no one waits for too long because they are waiting for a specific person to finish. No, there's someone who's constantly washing people's hair, which is great, and then there's someone who's moisturizing, there's someone who's doing flat twist. So depending on what you came there for, it's like you're moving in a beautiful sequence, which allows all customers to be in there quickly, in and out quickly, you know. So I really like that about their service. So the lady washed my hair, someone else came to help detangle, which is not the first time. because I've realized that every time I go to Ruutos, there's always 2 people that detangle my hair, making it quick and easy. Lucy, the owner, was there. She was like, oh, you're not doing a wash and go. I was like, I need my hair in a protective hairstyle. And they realized that my hairline here, I don't have a lot of hair. I lost it specifically there when I took down the braids that I had. And it's funny because the lady was like, it's braids, and then I was like, yeah, it's braids. So I think I'm just gonna give braids a break. I mean, anyway, I braid like once or twice a year, but yeah, we'll see. But I do want to do braids for winter, but I'll see what style I do. Maybe I'll do cornrows instead. But I'm really happy with my hair, and I'll keep it maybe for like 2 weeks or maybe 3 weeks. Then yeah, you guys should visit Ruutos, like I said, at least just once in your life, and then you experience the service. They have different branches across South Africa. Well, not so many, but in Gauteng I think it's like 3 to 4.